Dance, little bird, dance. Dance, little bird, dance.
Dance, little bird, dance. Dance, little bird, dance. Good morning, YouTube boobies. Set up for a time lapse early this morning, our second day here. How you doing back there?
Deuce.
What are those things? Those look delicious. We should eat them. What? That a huge bird was on that damn. Stop doing that. Okay?
You just got scared.
Anyways, my time lapse, which, okay, that's what I was time lapsing today. My time lapse, the camera shut off, so I'm hoping that it just ran out of battery and nothing else. Alright, so right now we're gonna go get some coffee. We didn't buy any coffee. We got a coffee maker in there, but why? We're gonna drink a whole month's worth of coffee in 3 days? I don't think so. Hey girlie, what do you say?
Mermaids don't talk.
Yes, they do. They talk shit. That's what they do. What's that mean?
They just do hand signals.
Today's a beach day, and it's pretty damn hot out here today.
Yeah, I think I got heat exhaustion.
When we got here, about 9?
We ate breakfast at 8:30. I made steak and eggs. We came out here for like 2 hours and it like zapped the food out of our stomachs.
Ooh. This isn't a waterproof camera, so I gotta watch it. I'll tell you what, Anna Marie Island, it's legit, man. It's a cool place to go. Just sitting on the beach, right? And we see these little things. If anybody knows what these are, let me know.
There. Once you get them wet, they're like, okay, now suck out. Look at them. Their little things come out.
Look at that guy.
It's weird.
Look, he's almost gone.
They're all by your hand now.
What?
Okay.
He's gone.
Dude, now they're all gone.
He's right there.
Take him back up. There it is. Here's a couple.
Look at that one. He's a crazy one. Whoa, he's fast.
Look at those two. Those three. Get him, get him, get him.
Ow, ow. Look at him. He's fast.
Woo! I'm freaked out.
If anybody knows what those are, comment down below and tell us what the hell those are. Because I want to know what I'm stepping on. Hey, say Barack Obama. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth.
Dance, little bird. Dance, little bird.
Dance, little bird, dance.
Dance, little bird, dance. Dance, little bird, dance.
Dance, little bird, dance. Dance, little bird, dance. Dance, little bird.
Dance, little bird, dance.
So an interesting thing just happened. I lost my debit card, and we searched everywhere for it. We went back to the beach. We went back to the house. We went in the car.
The
trunk.
Streets.
Everywhere. Well, we didn't find the card. However, Tiffany found 2 credit cards. She found one in our cottage and the other one in our rental car of people. We don't know who they are. We found everybody else's card except for ours. And then finally, I found out that I had left it at a restaurant we went to last night. But tell them why you were able to find the card.
Because I play detective video games.
So we're gonna take these back to the rental office tomorrow because they're closed today, but jeez, that was insane in the membrane.